If you're putting a window into a new wall and including a lintel, then using this module specifically designed for this task couldn't be easier. To start, I need to tell the program how many windows I will be putting in my new wall. This is 1, so I enter this number here in the red cell. Instantly the work is priced, but let's look at the pricing sheet and see what's been allowed. Here at the top of the screen I have selected the stain option for my decorating. So if I just scroll down, you can see that the base and top coat are selected. But we'll look at that in more detail in just a moment. The cost and hours for my lintel are worked out. The default is a 1500mm cavity lintel. I will be using this option, but I'll just click on the magnifying glass. As you can see, there are many to choose from. If you cannot find the one you want, then you can add it to the material library, and that will be available for you to pick here on the pricing sheet. The cavity closer is calculated, along with my window and glazing. As you can see, the window I have selected is a 1.2 by 1.2 softwood. This is unglazed, so the glazing is worked out here. If I click on the question mark, I can see the glazing calculation is based on 90% of the window area being glazed. I'll leave this percentage as it is, but you can change it if you want. If your window comes ready glazed, as is often the case with plastic windows, then this module is well prepared for this. I will select a plastic window from the drop-down menu. I'll stick with the same size, so 1.2 by 1.2. This window is glazed, so the cost of the glazing is included in the price for it. Now, if I look at the glazing line, I can see the program has removed the cost of the glazing and replaced the quantity numbers with not required. The sealant, frame fixings and rawl plugs are all worked out, and if you require any further explanation, then you can click on the question marks and the diagrams will assist you. Finally, I have the decorating options, as I mentioned at the start. If you wanted to paint your window, you can click on the paint option here at the top of the screen and it instantly changes. If you are not doing the decorating, or if you are pricing all of your decorating in the decorating module, you would just untick the paint option like this, and all the costs are removed. As I mentioned, I am staining, so I'll retick the stain option here at the top of the screen. You can also change any of your decorating options by ticking or unticking the boxes beside each item. My window and lintel into a new wall is priced. By entering just one number, everything was calculated, and I was able to easily fine-tune the details to meet the exact needs of my job. The totals for my plant, materials, hours, labour and overall cost are shown here at the bottom.